At TCT Asia in Shanghai, Eplus3D teased a new metal 3D printer that can be configured with an impressive 256 lasers. The EP-M3050, which was not present on the booth as it has not yet been officially launched, boasts a build size of 3058 by 3058 by 1200mm and is capable of printing huge parts such as this casing made out of 316L stainless steel with a diameter of 2.8 meters. At TCT Asia, Eplus3D was also introducing the EP-M300L. While featuring significantly less lasers than the M3050, it's said to be suited to areas such as electronics, tooling and aerospace. With this printer, the company is also introducing its new production-ready automation line, which it says transforms metal 3D printing from a standalone process into a continuous industrial manufacturing cell.